Hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you how to make how to make the Origami Buckyball. And as you can see, I made a small version of it and it turned out great. Later I'll be showing you how to put the patterns together in the order of pentagons, hexagons, etc. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to fold from the corner of each side to the middle of the opposite side. So do that 3 times and you'll have 3 creases. Alright, so now that I have all those creases, the next thing I want to do is take the crease that you just made to the middle of one side and fold that point up to the middle of where all the creases converge. Alright, so now that I've done that on all 3 sides, you want to take 2 of them, 2 of the folds that you just made, bring them in, and sort of pinch this part. And now, ooh, that's terrible. What happened? Oh, never mind. Now, you want to fold this part over. Oh, I made a rip. Oh well. And then fold it over again on the other side. And do that for all 3 sides. Alright, now that you've done that for all 3 sides, go ahead and sort of just lift this flap, bring it together, and put all the corners down. So now you should have a piece of paper that looks like this. Okay, the next step is to open this up and push it down in a squash. And then, so you'll open it up, sort of press your finger there, it makes it easier, and then press it down in a squash fold. Alright, so now you should have a piece of paper that looks like this. Now the next step, flip it over, take a corner, sort of pull it up, and that part will flick out, and then fold the corner into the center of the triangle, and do that for all 3 sides. Alright, now flip it over and note these 3 edges, press them all down and it should start to go like this, and then fold along those creases. Oops. And now you should have something that looks like this. And now what you want to do is just simply pull all these out. Sorry. And now you have a single module, and you need to build 59 more of these in order to make a total of 60, and then you'll be able to put them together. Now I'll show you how exactly you put them together. Alright, so assembly of all the parts. I'll just be telling you how exactly they go together. Alright, so first you'll have each module and you'll put them together to form a pentagon made of 5 modules, and then surrounding the pentagon you'll have 6 hexagons surrounding that pentagon, and then sort of in the corners of where the hexagons meet you'll have another pentagon. So if you look at a hexagon, you'll see that the hexagon around it, it goes hexagon, pentagon, hexagon, pentagon, hexagon, pentagon. And if you ever need help, just look at a soccer ball. It should tell you how exactly it goes together, because this is exactly like a soccer ball.